Hello, if it seems that you have something synchronized with your phone on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra, here's what you can do in order to disable the synchronization. So in order to unsync, you will probably need to get rid of either the Samsung account or a Google account or both. If you go to Accounts and Backup in the settings, you can go to the Manage Accounts option, and of course over here you will find all Gmails and Samsung accounts that you are logged into. And of course, as long as you are using same accounts on phone and on tablet, all your data will be pretty much synchronized on those services. So in order to get rid of that, you can just simply log out of these accounts. If you don't know how to do that, for instance, if you go to the Samsung account, you have the remove account option, and I'm pretty sure it is pretty similar with the Google account. You can also go to each of these accounts instead, and over here you can choose what you want to synchronize, because you don't really have to synchronize everything. So if you want to keep your accounts and you don't want to have the sync enabled, then you can go to each account and then choose sync account, and then you can choose what you want to synchronize with these accounts, so that after that, if you happen to make some changes on the account or anything that is related to those services, it will not be updated on another device. It will stay only on this one until you actually decide to synchronize by yourself. Also, we have auto sync data over here in Manage Account, so you can enable or disable this option as well if you wish, so you can give it a try. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.